Hello and welcome to Manitoba Paid Production Days. My name is Ashley Robinson and the event is about to kick off in about an hour with a nice opening night reception, and I'm here right now with Dan Sawatzky, who is the general manager of the Keystone Potato Producers Association, who are of course the guys that really spearhead this event and everything. And anyway, we're just really excited to be here because I know you guys have had a couple of interesting years trying to have this event with the pandemic.
Yeah, we were all set to go last year and had to cancel about 2 weeks prior to the show, so it's really nice to be back here. We are bigger and better than ever. We've moved to a different location here at the Keystone Center, and more space, more booths, more equipment, and a lot more registrants actually.
That's great. I know I've been hearing at a lot of conferences that people, registrations are up. I think if people really want to get back out and do that visiting and talk with different companies and just with each other.
Yeah, I think last time we held the show in 2019, we had a record attendance of close to 550. This year we already have more than 300 or 630 registered, so we'll see how many show up in the end. But no, it's nice to see the excitement about the show, and we're looking forward to the next few days.
And I know you guys were supposed to celebrate a big anniversary during the pandemic year, so how are you guys honoring that tonight?
Well, it is actually 1973 is when Horticultural Industry Days was kicked off, and that included the fruit and vegetable people, and they over the years have dropped off and done their own thing. So 73, we're in 2023 now, so it is 50 year anniversary, and we're actually trying to make it a little bit special. Some of the displays, some of the I guess the gift bags that we're giving away, some of that it has some highlights of the 50-year anniversary. Yeah.
Well, that's great that you guys were able to get the event back going for this year to celebrate the anniversary. And so we have there's a bunch of different sessions. There's a trade show happening over the next few days. Can you just tell people what to expect if they're heading on down here to the Keystone Center in Brandon?
Well, we have 19 area, or 19, I guess, lots or booths that the big equipment is in. So that's, everything from truck boxes to planters to harvesters to conveyors, pilers, tractors. It's a lot of equipment to see. And of course, we have 65 booths, where there's just the tabletop displays. So there's been real interest in coming. We still have a waiting list, even though we've gone to bigger premises. Really looking forward to the show this year. Speakers, we have a variety of topics, 12 different sessions. Speakers from Minnesota, North Dakota, Ontario, Belgium, and Idaho as well. So there should be some good topics, and lots for everyone to learn a little bit more about potatoes.
Well, I'm very excited to attend those sessions and get to talk to some people at the booths. Make sure to be tuning in on our Facebook and Twitter feeds and our website over the next few days. We'll have lots of coverage from here. And then, since it is the 50th anniversary, and I know you've been to a few of these conferences yourself, what would be your favorite memory from Manitoba Potato Production Days?
Oh, I go back a little ways. We used to have it back in the International Inn, in what used to be International Inn in Winnipeg, and then it moved actually to what is now the RBC at the convention center there, and then we moved it to a different location here in Brandon, and it was interesting because we ran from one building to another because our meetings were in a different building, and often this week of the year is 30 below generally, and so it was a challenge to stay warm. But we've had many successes over the years. I remember way back we had a farmer innovation contest, so where farmers were able to modify some of the equipment to make it work better. Some of those things were highlighted. So there's been a lot of different things over the years. Some of the speakers we've had have really brought people in to see speakers. From Dennis Hull to Ron Offit, there's been a number of great speakers, and then covering different, whether it's sports or whether it's business or all kinds of different things. This year we do have Adam Bighill from the Bombers as our luncheon speaker. But we've had great keynote speakers in the past as well.
Well, everyone, make sure to tune in over the next few days, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun and make some new memories this year.
Thanks, Ashley. No, it's great to have you cover this, and I hope you get some good information from the show.
I'm sure I will. Thank you, Dan.